The soil has been leached. Papa's fermented spoils will cure this plague. Hello, Ed boys. Many doors yet? Too much for couch potato Ed boys like yourself.
What are you? Some kind of troll or something? Get it on!
Ralph, beat some sense into that overcooked noodle that you call a head!
Hey, Rolf! Incoming!
Ralph is not amused! The burden of hospitality is too great for Ralph! My patience is wearing thin like Mama's head of hair! Filthy animals do not belong in Rolf's shed! Have you ever experienced the almighty three sylphs?
我々食らったのすぐのそのものは
May shower scum devour your head! Edboy,
What's up, Stretch?
do you like being a guest at the house of Rolf and, make lazy on Rolf's stuff?
What are you kidding? It's great!
I'm a cowboy. Thanks, Ed.
You have broken the celery stalk on the back of a sea urchin!
What'd he say? Did you kiss your mother with that mouth?
The beast has stopped.